the white paper bag is a separate craft for handlebar decoration. All right, so first you're gonna pull your plastic string out, all right, and that's what we're gonna decorate the bar with. There are two of those strings, of course, one for each handlebar side, and then the feathers already have a rubber band on it. It's pulled tight, but you can get a little bit of room out there on one of them, and then you can feed your plastic string through, and the idea is that they'll kind of stay in the place you want them to when they're strung through. So if I wanted to stop right there, I can just let go of the rubber band, and that feather is going to be able to dangle freely in the wind as you're riding your bike. All right, and then with beads, we've got a bunch of beads in here, and of course you don't have to use all of these. Yeah, I'd maybe just use like a dozen or so to get my colors and decoration going on that, on the string. And then you can just put those down as you want them. The feather will stop it in place there. You can have different places to stop if you want. And you can also tie off a bead on the end of your string if you want the beads to go first and dangle all the way to the bottom. So then I could just throw a few colors on, and then I could put my next feather in to hold the next place for my beads. And then I could put more beads on top of that. All right, there are 4 feathers for each child. All right, so you can decorate up to 4 feathers, and then you got a bunch of beads. And then when you're all done with everything, you can just tie off the plastic onto a handlebar.
So make sure you leave enough space at the top to wrap around the handlebar and make a knot.
The handlebar is about that big. You want to leave enough room, like Lindsay said, to be able to tie it off.
And if it is too long, you can use your scissors to trim the bottom.